Good morning, students. Today I will be explaining you the role of HR manager. Um, in the HR, human resource management concept, we have already finished till the functions of human resource management and evolution of human resource management. Today we will discuss about what is the role played by HR manager. Okay, what is the role played by HR manager? One of the major role of HR manager is to advise the top management in a matter related to the management and development of human resources in order to achieve organization objects. Okay, organization objects. Look at the company's vision, mission, and long-range planning. All these advisory, every matter, in any case of any matter, the advisory role will be played by the HR manager relating to the procedures, process, etc. So the advisory role is played by the HR manager. The advisory role, in the sense, he will be advising the manager in the case of vision, mission, long range planning, management, and to formulate the policies. Next, we will see the proacting role. HR managers ascertain the probable area of conflict and difference between workers and managers and identify the factors that may create problem. In the proacting means acting before only. If some problem arises, if you know that within few months we will be facing that problem, so before only finding a solution to the problem, that is called as proacting role. Now what proacting role played by the HR manager is, if there might be a conflict between the workers in the working in the organization, forecast and find a solution to the problem, so that the department or the organization may not suffer loss, the organization climate is not being disturbed. All these being looked after by the HR manager. Next is welfare role. Welfare, the welfare is nothing but the betterment of the employees, to improve the standard of living of the employees. The certain benefits were given by the organizations to the employees. It may be the canteen facilities, restroom facilities, hospitals, transportation, housing, accommodation, schools, etc. So these provide a welfare facilities for the welfare or the betterment of the employees. Okay. Next, we will go through the next point, that is development role. What is a development role of a HR manager? HR manager plays a development role in the case to improve the knowledge, skill, abilities, attitude, value, beliefs, etc. All these for the development of the employees. All these workload or the work is being mentioned, and the HR manager takes all the possible measures for the growth and the development of the employees through formulation of HR policies in the matter of training, career planning and development and counseling. So for all this purpose, the development role of taken by the HR manager for the ability to improve the ability, skills and attitude, value, belief of an employees towards the organization. Okay. Next is the mediator role. Mediator is nothing but acting in between. HR manager work as a link personality between trade unions and top management in order to eliminate the difference of opinions cropped up in process of settlement of disputes. He takes initiatives to sort out problems through collective bargaining, bipartite regulations and process. Mediator is, as you know, the in between. He acts as in between the two people. If there is a between the union and the top manager, between the employees and the workers. So if there is any disputes, the disputes are being solved. Social upliftment role. So what are the social upliftment role of an HR manager? Organization is a part and parcel of the society. As a societal member, it has an ethical and moral obligation to contribute to the society for its growth and development by the way of taking necessary measures like creating and improving infrastructure, spreading learning facilities. Upliftment is nothing but to improve the person, to improve the ability of a person. Next is counselor's role. Counselors, every employees needs a counselors in case of in case of education of children, medical treatment, marital matter, family problems. HR manager has to come close to the workers because of the nature of their work, develop understanding between them, and guides, advises the workers in the right direction. Okay, so take a decision, advise the workers to take the right decisions in the right direction. Spokesperson role in the sense HR executive works as a spokesperson of the company, especially in a matter depicting organization health conditions, strength, etc. to the employees while negotiating for the settlement of industrial disputes. He also acts as a representative of the workers when they are unionized or unorganized and cannot represent their case properly to the top management. Under such circumstances, HR manager places their grievances, problems, demands to the problem management for the settlement and readdressal. For the settlement and the readdressal, these problems will be taken and the actions will be taken against the people. Okay, so spokesperson. As a spokesperson, in the sense, if there is any grievations, he may give his guidance to take a correct decisions at the correct time. Motivators role. So motivation is important. Every now and then you have to motivate the employees so that the goals of an organization is achieved and the organization will be able to achieve the goal in a more significant and in a more complex matter. Whatever it is, if it may be the introduction, it may be the mutual understanding, it may be the mutual confidence, mutual trust, all these plays a very important role in the organization. Procurer's role. HR manager helps to procure the right members for the right kind of people at the right time to enable the company to run smoothly, effectively, and efficiently to achieve its goal. Okay, that is procuring, that is taking right person for the right job and right kind of people for the right job. He facilitates the formulation of dynamic recruitment policy, design and develop test interview techniques, selection process, suiting individuals. They are, what to say, their well-being is being looked after. Free procurement exercise when workers express happiness. Then if right people for the right job selection interview, suiting employees to the organizations in order to find the right job, so procurement role is the being played. Okay, next come changing agent role, like there are different agents work in the organization. It may be the stiff or attitude or belief or perceptible states values to meet the organization needs. All this plays a very changing role because every employee is different in their own characters, in their own attitude, motivation level, etc. So to changing agent, so he has to change himself from the HR to the lower level management to understand the attitude and changing role of them and make them to give their best to the organization. Next is maintenance role. HR managers plays a vital role in retaining the dynamic and excellent and highly skilled workers for providing attractive compensation packages, introducing reward management, career planning and development, welfare, fringe benefits, social security schemes, suitable policies are formulated, programs are designed, necessary measures are taken to implement schemes for growth and development of the employees with and through the active efforts of the HR manager. Through the active efforts of the HR manager, the proper skills are being developed. Next is disputes prevention role. Disputes prevention role. If there is any disputes or complexions or if there is any problem between these two people, it can be solved through dispute prevention role. So prevention will be taken in advance so that if there is any disputes relating to quality, working life, participation concept alike, then all these will be eliminated through the HR manager. Next comes executive role. Executive role in the sense HR manager plays an important role as an executive. The policies, programs, decisions, formulation and execution of tasks and interwoven and equally important for the achievement of organization goal. HR manager acts as an executor to the policy decision in the company. Decision makers role. Decision makers role is very important. The organization has to take right decision at the right time. Decisions in respect of the development of an employee, the policies, program, objectives concerning human resources are formulated by him. Coordinator's role. Coordinator is acting as a between two persons. So executive coordinates the task of developing, interrupting of HR programs, policies which are put into operation by the line people, develops team spirit among them. All these are important for the execution of their jobs. Next is strategic role. HR manager helps to accomplish business strategy of an organization through introducing and implementing HR strategies. Strategies are to be developed and that strategies are to be implemented. So strategies, formulation, coordinator, decision making, agent role, then various development role, mediator role, social upliftment role, advisory role, proactive role, welfare role. There are many roles which are played. But according to the question asked, you have to answer the problem. If it is for 24 marks, 20 marks you can write 18 points, and if it is for 8 marks, then you can write for 8 to 10 points. Okay. I think you can understand what is it. The name itself explains you everything of what role the each HR manager play in an organization. Go through the explanation, understand it. Thank you.